Hey guys, this is me Alina and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a full face of Maybelline makeup products challenge. So I'm going to use only Maybelline products for the full face of my makeup look. Yeah, for the full face. So this is the look that I created, and if you guys liked it, so give it a big thumbs up and also do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video, and also do follow me on all of my social medias account. Yes, to see most of my behind of the scenes work that I don't put out on my here YouTube. So that's it, and let's just move on. The first step of the makeup is primer, but we are gonna totally skip primer because I don't own any primer that is from Maybelline. So I'm gonna straight move on to the foundation. So I have two options for me for my base makeup. So the first thing is I have the BB cream, and the other thing I have is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm gonna choose the Maybelline Fit Me foundation because I don't like this BB cream that much. I don't like it, so I'm gonna move on to the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I have taken two pumps of the foundation, and I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dot it all over my face for like even coverage. I don't know, but I'm gonna dot it all over my face. Like I absolutely love this foundation. This foundation, like that's my copy. This foundation has been my like holy grail. So next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this using my brush because all my beauty blender are dirty and I have to. The next step is bronzing. So I don't own any bronzer from Maybelline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a lipstick. So the lipstick that I'm going to use is Nude Nuance from Maybelline Creamy Matte collection. And this is my absolute favorite color. Like Maybelline is so good with everything. I don't know why, but they're like so good, like with their lipsticks, with their foundations and concealers and everything. I love Maybelline. I absolutely love Maybelline. If you guys, if like I'm seeing right through the screen right now, so don't mind it. So now I'm gonna move on to the brows. So I usually like to do my brows before my foundation, but I totally forgot. Like I have to do brows. So I'm going to do brows right now. So that so I don't have any brow palette or like a brow pencil like from Maybelline. I had, but I totally finished it up. It is the Fashion Tube brow. So I'm gonna do a very natural brow, like how I'm gonna do a very like, oh my god. Okay. So here I'm using the Maybelline 24K nude palette. So this is a palette. It's pretty ugly from the outside, but from the inside it is really pretty. So yep, this is the palette. So I usually use this brown shade right here, like this brown shade for my for my brow for my brows. So as you can see, I have already मैंने इसको सारा खत्म कर दिया. Move on to the concealer, and for concealer I have two options. That is, the one is the Maybelline Fit Me and the other one is Age Rewind one. So I'm totally gonna use the Age Rewind one because this has been my absolute favorite. Third one, just doing the random thing around my eyes. So I'm gonna do a little bit for one. So now to set everything in place, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I loved it. This is the only powder I've been using. Right, the only powder I am using. Sorry, my brush is a bit dirty. I have to wash them, so just ignore the brushes. Focus on the makeup. So I make very weird faces while doing it. I'm gonna be using the touch of spice for my blush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just एक इधर and then एक इधर थोड़ा सा इधर and थोड़ा सा इधर. That's it. And I'm going to using my fingers. So my fingers are like fully sanitized. The highlight, I'm gonna be using everyone's favorite, the Master Chrome highlighter. So I broke it. So I'm gonna be using that. I'm going to be using this tapered brush. And just ooh, I love this highlight. Guys, it's time for the eyes, and I have only this palette. So guys, I have only this palette that is from Maybelline, like only this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using that, and I am going to create a very bronzy, eye makeup sort of look. So let's get started. So I'm going to be taking this brown shade, this shimmer. इसके अंदर ना होता है shimmer के like specks and that I really like. So this is the only brown shade that I really like from this whole palette, and I'm just gonna putting it like brown, coppery, silvery shade, whatever the shade is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. For like my inner corners. This palette is so good. So for mascaras, I have quite a few options. So the first one is the Lash Sensational mascara, and the other one is the Falsies wala, and the other one is the Hyper Curl, and the last is the Total Temptation. So I have the Total Temptation, and this is a non-waterproof one. So I'm going to use this one. So as you guys can totally see, I'm full on done with my makeup. So now I'm going to move on to the lips, and for the lips I have a lot of options that I have for the lips. So I'm gonna move on to, I think I'm gonna go with the bold lip. So I'm totally going to use the Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade 695 Divine Wine. So I'm going to use it, and I hope it works. So this is how it looks. This is my absolute favorite. Like, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. So I'm all done with my makeup. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and also do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified. And thank you guys, love you.